Hi, Yuri. Hope you're keeping safe and well. Last lesson, I asked you to have a look at this image, or these two images, sorry, and use those images to fill in a table that showed the differences between the Catholic Church and the Protestant Church. Okay, so if I just show you this, it should have been this one that you were filling in on page 16. I'm going to go through the answers, so as always, don't forget to pause and correct yourself if you need to. So, the first one is that the walls and ceilings are painted colourfully in the Catholic Church, but in the Protestant Church they're painted white instead. You've got the decorations include statues, but in Protestant churches decorations have all been completely removed so that there are no distractions. The priest's clothes in Catholic Church are colourful and look very expensive, whereas the priest's clothes in a Protestant church are plain and probably quite cheap to make. In Catholic churches, you've got a screen that separates people from the priest, but in Protestant churches, they don't want any separation between people and the priest, so there isn't a screen. In Catholic churches, they've got candlesticks that are made from gold. In Protestant churches, they've got windows that are all plain. So as you can see, there's a bit of a running theme here that the Protestant churches are a lot more plain than what the Catholic churches would have been. The altar in Catholic church is highly decorated, but in the altar in a Protestant church, it's just a wooden table. And Catholic churches have paintings of saints on the walls, whereas in a Protestant church there are no paintings of saints. So guys, pause there, have a read, correct anything that you need to correct, and then we'll get ready to move on, okay? Okay. Today I would like you to have a go at page 17 in your booklets then. And page 17 asks you to explain the extent of change caused by Edward's changes to the Church of England. So what we want you to have a look at there is how have the churches changed? How might that have then changed the lives of people, okay? How might that have changed the way people believed in God, the way people worshipped, how that changed then their everyday life, okay? So we don't want you to just look at the changes in the church here. We want you to have a look at how that then impacted on a wider scheme, okay? Good luck, Yuri, and I'll see you soon.